National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Cattaraugus County, Allegheny County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:08 p.m., severe showers were located along a line extending from 8 miles east of Arcata near Salamanca to 6 miles northeast of Scandia, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Olean, Salamanca, Wellsville, Allegheny State Park, Alfred, Allegheny, Franklinville, Belfast, Cuba, and Rushford. This includes Interstate 86 between exits 18 and 33. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.